Employees are supposed to learn together, be trained and educated in a uniform manner. However, it's increasingly the case that not all people can be on site for a training session. Bringing trainers and learners together spatially requires a great deal of time and effort. Also, it incurs travel costs. A new corporate culture and new work processes must be established. In virtual or augmented reality, several people come together virtually and participate in training together with their VR or AR glasses. Everyone can learn with and from each other. Trainers and trainees have the opportunity to come together regardless of location via the internet. This avoids travel costs. In addition, trainers can supervise a scenario and support learners. Classroom training can also be done together in presence. Hands-on learning together with others leads to faster and higher learning success. Learn how you can use collaborative learning for yourself in our tutorial. We show you the practical application for collaborative learning in a network. By the way, all trainings in 3Spin Dream are automatically available in the network without further adjustments. All trainings can be done alone as well as together. To learn together on the network, make sure you're connected to the internet. Select an appropriate training from your app panel. Click Learn Together to learn with others. To open a new network room, use the New Room button in the network panel. By clicking on the microphone icon, you can decide whether learners enter the room with the microphone on or muted. The created room is now displayed to the learners and they can enter it. As the creator of the room, you have control over the training. This is indicated by the crown symbol in your user list. You can give control to other participants or mute them. In addition, all users can request to take control at any time. Active learners are shown in green, participants without control are shown in blue. In our web management system, you can decide how you want to learn together. To do so, select the desired training. The properties are then displayed in the sidebar. The option Show Avatars defines whether the participants are displayed as avatars. The option User Join Muted specifies whether the language is transmitted. Are you using augmented reality and are in the same room? Then you don't need avatars or speech transmission. Do you learn via the internet with VR? Then leave both functions activated. Now you can get started.